How to replace the thermal paste in a laptop. At the request of fans, today we're replacing the thermal paste on the ASUS TUF Gaming F15 2022. Let's reduce the CPU temperature by 5.8 degrees Celsius in 6 simple steps, easily improving your laptop's performance. Tutorials for replacing and upgrading thermal paste on laptops are available in the main tutorial collection on our homepage. You can also comment with your model if you need specific guidance. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Step 1. Get tools ready. Many tools are needed to replace the laptop's thermal paste. Apart from the thermal paste and thermal paste cleaning wipes, some gadgets can help you to disassemble the laptop much more easily. If you don't want to buy them separately, you can find our total solution combo in our profile. Step 2. Remove the laptop case and battery. Before you start disassembling the computer, it's highly recommended to wash your hands or wear gloves or an anti-static wristband to eliminate static electricity. Place the laptop upside down. Use a PH1 screwdriver to remove the 12 screws securing the bottom cover. Among them, the 2 screws in the upper middle are long, the one in the lower left corner is short, the one in the lower right corner is a captive screw, and the rest are medium-sized screws. Loosen the captive screw without fully removing it. It is recommended to use a magnetic mat to prevent mixing up or losing screws. Prepare a triangular pry tool and a spudger. Insert the triangular pry tool into the lower right corner of the laptop and slide it along the edges to loosen the clips. Once the pry tool is inserted, gently pry up and down to make opening the bottom cover easier. After removing the bottom cover, use a spudger to disconnect the power cable by pushing up the metal latch above the connector and carefully prying outward on both sides. After disconnecting the power cable, press and hold the power button for 15 seconds to discharge any remaining power. Step 3. Remove the heatsink and old thermal paste. Remove the black anti-static tape. And unplug the power cables for both cooling fans. Using a PH0 screwdriver, remove the 5 screws securing the fans, 3 on the left fan and 2 on the right. Following the numbered sequence, loosen and remove the 8 screws securing the heatsink module. Use a high-quality screwdriver, such as the Kooling Monster Combo 01, and apply vertical pressure to prevent stripping the screws. Disconnect the display cable located under the right side fan. Then, carefully lift both sides of the heatsink evenly to remove it. After that, remove the fans. To clean the old thermal paste more efficiently, we recommend using Kooling Monster Clean 01 thermal paste cleaning wipes. If you're worried about getting your hands dirty, you can use the disposable gloves included in our kit. Here you can see, the thermal paste on the processor has dried up after years of use, reducing its cooling efficiency. It needs timely replacement. Make sure to clean off the remaining thermal paste from the cooling module. Step 4. Clean the fan. We use an anti-static brush and compressed air for cleaning. The anti-static brush is used to remove dust from the fan blades and heatsink module. while compressed air helps clean hard-to-reach areas, significantly improving dust removal efficiency. When using compressed air, maintain a slight distance to prevent liquid from being sprayed. Once the cleaning process is complete, don't forget to clean the dust from the back panel. Step 5. Apply thermal paste. Here we used Kooling Monster Cold 01 High Performance Thermal Paste. Apply an appropriate amount of thermal paste on the surfaces of the CPU and GPU. After applying the thermal paste, you can use the spatula to evenly spread out the thermal paste and remove the excess. You can also use the pea-size method if you like. Step 6. Reassemble your laptop. Now, reassemble everything in reverse order. First, place the fans back into position. Then, gently place the heatsink module back and tighten its screws in the numbered sequence to about 70%. Once all screws are in place, fully tighten them to prevent excessive stress. Secure the screws for both cooling fans. Reconnect the display cable, followed by the power cables for both fans. Finally, reconnect the power cable to the motherboard and reapply the black anti-static tape. Press the power button to ensure the laptop powers on normally. Snap the bottom cover back into place and tighten all the screws. Job done! Follow and subscribe to Kooling Monster and let us know which laptops to demo this process with next.